Hi, my name is Janatuna Jihan binti Muhammad Johari, 63268.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Isham, 63453.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shafiq ibn Kaibuddin, 63477.
Hi, my name is Nurul Ainan Faida binti Hage, 63700.
Hi, my name is Putri Rafimulia, 63742.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aisyah Fahardi binti Muhammad, 63701.
Hi, my name is Nurul binti Muhammad Jufri, 63712.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Murad, 63399.
You have probably heard the word engineering before, right? And you have probably been told it's pretty important. But what exactly is engineering? And who exactly is an engineer? Engineers are people who design and build things that we use every day. However, they don't just focus on building. The first thing that comes to mind, they work hard to make something we need, and they want to do a good job of it. So, how do engineers decide where they need to build well? In most cases, they start with a question. Here's an example. Say you live on a space station and something outside breaks. Obviously, you need to go outside and fix it. But how exactly do you do that? That's a great question for engineers. Once they have got a good handle on things, they will start imagining ways to solve the problem.
After coming up with this idea, they will pick a few that make the most sense. Next, they will start the drawing plan depending on the idea. The plan can be very simple or very complicated, but the important part is plan itself. A good plan helps engineers focus on what they are making. The most important, how the engineer enjoy themselves while doing the project. They get chance to create something. It is very important to stick with the plan though, so the current idea does not go too far. It is great when the project succeeds in the first try. It is actually good when it should be, because it gives the engineer a chance to go back and improve their original idea and improve until they solve the problem.
Everywhere you look, projects which are undergoing, whether you are recruiting a member of staff or constructing the world's tallest building, every project needs a manager to ensure its success. Project management is about knowing exactly what you want to achieve, how you want to achieve it, and how long it will take. It is about ensuring that everyone involved share and understand those aims before the first steps are taken, and that they are committed to it. Successful projects don't just happen. They are not just a long list of jobs to be done, but they are a masterpiece of planning, management, organization, and communication of a carefully choreographed sequence of events where progress is smooth and steady. Successful project needs people with the right skills and knowledge at its heart working together. A well-managed and motivated team with clear roles, responsibilities, and reporting lines will carry a project to its conclusion without compromising on time, cost, or quality.
Project management is an important field of study because we live in a very dynamic world by changing world, and projects the key way in which we as a society move forward and deliver change. A project manager is accountable for leading the successful delivery of the project. It means engaging with stakeholders and focusing on those benefits and outcomes which leads to a successful delivery. One particular thing that was standing out, it was the group assignment. Engineers had to be engaged with people of different backgrounds and different cultures. Working in such an environment really brings the best out of you. We'd always heard about how important communication was, but in the real life project, we really got to understand how important it is to just talk to people and get things done. Project management can take you anywhere. It's completely global. A whole lot of transferable skills, so anywhere you want to go or anything you want to do in terms of growing that career, there's huge opportunity for it.
Project management involves identifying requirements. You have to know what is needed to be successful. You have to establish clear and achievable goals known as define. Define what you need to do, when, where, and who should be involved, and make sure the goals are clear and understandable so that you know whether you have met them or not. And of course, the main idea is that you need to balance cost, time, scope, and quality. Project manager clearly knowing the goals of each phase of the project and know how to transition smoothly between them. A good project manager can generally break out projects into the following phases: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing and initiating. They decide what is the goal of the project and they begin to gather the resources and form the team and planning. Project manager also determine how the project is actually going to be executed, who is involving, where and when will the things happen. Executing is actually performing the activities and almost simultaneously we have to monitor and control these things to make sure that they are within scope, cost and time.
Project planning is a part of project management which relates to the use of schedules such as Gantt chart and to plan subsequently report progress within the project environment. Initially, the project scope is defined and the appropriate methods for completing the projects are determined. With proper steps, the duration for the various tasks to complete the work are listed and grouped into a work breakdown structure. Project planning is often used to organize different areas of a project, including project plan's workload and the management of the teams and individuals. Project planning is important as it must be done before the project is actually planned. Therefore, the duration of the task is often estimated through a weightage average of optimistic normal and pessimistic cases. The critical change method adds buffers in the planning to anticipate potential delays in project execution flow or slack time in the schedule can be calculated using project management software. Then the necessary resources can be estimated. Cost for each of the activity can be allocated to each resource, giving the total project cost. Project planning can be done manually. However, when managing several projects, it is usually easier and faster to use project management software.
What is project scheduling? It is important to deliver your project on time. Project scheduling is the process of creating your project schedule. So there are three main steps that you have to take when you're creating the project schedule. The first one is to determine all the work that is to be performed to build and deliver the product for your project that can include so many different areas. The second one is to determine who needs to perform the work. What resources do you need? Are there employees? Are there outside contractors? Are there vendor partners? Finally, you also want to look how long it will take to perform the work. So the way you get the information is you take the work and you have someone to estimate how long it's going to take to do that.
CAD is a computer-aided design and it is use of computer program to create 2 or 3-dimensional graphical representation of physical object. The software is widely used by engineer, designer and architect. It is used to create and design a variety of new products and wide invite the range of industries. It enables users to test and learn more about existing products and parts. In product and industry design, CAD is usually meant for the creation of detailed 3D solid surface model, 2D vector-based drawing of physical component. CAD allows designers to model the entire object much faster and without the need to physically render the item. In engineering, both of the form and function can be modeled, and any designer flaw can be rectified before the creation of physical prototype.